right, Lady Ada, what is this?
Okay, it's laser time. Got lasers. It's a LIDAR. It's a laser ranging module from Garmin. So they make like GPSs, but they also make LIDARs, which is kind of interesting, which makes sense, I guess, if you're doing, location. Maybe you also want to do orientation or smart cars or stuff. So there's a LIDAR. It bounces lasers off of things to give you precision distance measurements. And it can do very far distances and very fast. That's actually one of the nice things about these sensors is how fast they are.
Okay, so you got a Metro M4 with CircuitPython.
Yeah.
You got Mo, and this is it working right now. This
Yeah,
is
so you get the
this
plotter.
Is Python LIDAR.
Yeah, and you can see it's, I'm not even doing it at the highest
Do
speed.
that again. Do it again.
Oh, sorry.
Wave your hand over.
Wave your hand. I was like, what?
Zip, 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 zip.
It's not even as fast as it can go. I actually slowed it down a little bit so the plotter wasn't like zooming back so far. But it's over I2C. And then, you have to be right in front. That's another thing that's nice about LiDARs is they're very, it has to be right in front. These are often put on robots, and the robot will scan the room, and it'll make a map.
Yeah.
It's called SLAM.
Self-driving cars.
This is good for self-driving cars, or like if you want to have an autonomous robot, or you want to have something that kind of knows when something's in front of it.
Okay.
The thing it's really good at, precision, extremely high speed. Higher speed than anything else, and consistent measurements. And then Garmin is a great brand.
Okay.
So it's I2C out, and then we've got CircuitPython code.
You've got code on GitHub.
We've got code on GitHub, and it's even on PyPI, so you can use this with a Raspberry Pi if you want.
Yeah.
And it's really easy. You basically just print sensor distance, and there you go. And then you can do it as fast as you want.
Good work.
That's what I'm working on today.
Raspberry Pi, Python, CircuitPython, LIDAR.
LIDAR.
Self-driving cars. Okay, cool. Bye.
Bye.